We're up here in Mora, Minnesota on the Snake River. We're about to do a little adventuring. So, Seth, Luke, and Matt, and myself. It's June 2017, y'all. We ready to do this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. We're a couple miles in, a couple beers in, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day here in the neighborhood.
Look at Seth. He's just meditating. He's becoming one with the river.
We found ourselves a nice little island here to have ourselves some lunch. Woo-wee. It's a nice day. We are to the point of our adventure where it is raining. And we are being eaten up by mosquitoes. I guess we're getting back to it, huh, Matt?
I think we are.
Hey, Seth! Rock and roll, baby!
Okay, I'm filming.
Sorry, honey, but I'm gonna jump off this bridge. We tested the water first, right? Yep. I'm so scared. Gotta do it. Okay. Yahoo! Woo! That was good. Yeah, a little bit. It's sandy, you guys. Well, we made it to our car. Unfortunately, we went 20 miles. We missed the campsite, and now we gotta go home or something. We're getting eaten alive. It's been raining all day. So it's okay. We had a good time on the river.